Zontes 703T PKE disassembly and assembly video tutorial. Preparation tools: T25 Torx wrench. Press vehicle start. Press left handle switch seat button to open seat lock. Open main seat, then unplug the heated seat wiring connector. Use T25 Torx wrench to assist removal of 4 expansion nails on the electrical housing. Remove the electrical housing cover. Use T25 Torx wrench to remove the 2 bolts fixing the PKE. Unplug the 2 PKE wiring connectors and remove the PKE. Install the PKE according to the video method. Take out the PKE, connect the 2 PKE wiring connectors, then reinstall it on the vehicle. Use T25 Torx wrench to install the 2 bolts fixing the PKE. Install the electrical housing cover and fix it with 4 expansion nails according to the video method. Replace the heated seat connector to the seat. Then replace the seat unit on the motorcycle. If you're new to the channel, this is the only place on YouTube where you will find all you need to know regarding looking after your Zontes ride. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on new content uploads.